So the first method in building your sleeve is in the round. So we've joined and we chain, and then we simply just work around the sleeve until we reach all the way around. Now the problem with this is that your seam has a tendency to go in one direction quite drastically. And depending how tightly you stitch, it can be quite noticeable. And some people, it may bother them, and other people, they don't care. So that's fine. So we'll just go all the way around. So we're getting back to the beginning stitch. So we'll just continue with the half double crochets. One more. Now, to end the round, we simply just join to our first half double crochet. So we'll join there with a slip stitch. And now, if you're using this method, I just like to make sure to pull the join tight, because that helps to make it not so noticeable where you've joined. And then we just chain one, and then we simply continue all the way around, just counting our stitches and making sure we have the same number each time, because you don't want extra or less, because that'll mess up your whole sleeve. So that's the first method.